Hi Adler, can you hear me?
Hello. Yes.
Can you hear me, Adler?
Yes, I can.
Oh wait,
Wait.
seems like you have
Uh,
to setting your camera, right?
yes.
Okay, take your time. Is it done?
Okay.
Is it done, Adler?
It's good now.
Okay, good. So how are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, everything is nice.
Yes.
Okay, how about your long weekend? Is it kind of good?
I just stayed in my house, but it was nice.
So you don't have any plan or trip in the long holiday?
No.
Oh, okay, okay. So actually for today, we will try to continue our lessons, okay?
Okay.
Okay, how about the review? Is it kind of hard to do?
Uh, Not really, but I've been stuck in the second one, the second part.
It's okay. So, but the rest is kind of good for you?
Yes.
Okay. So actually for today, we will try to continue our lessons with the next review, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So the next review is going to be about lists, okay? So we will try to review about lists because list is the most important structured data that we as a programmer must mastering this at Python, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready about it?
Yes.
Okay, good. So I will try to do some share screen first, okay?
Okay.
Okay, hold on a second. Okay, do you see my screen, Adler?
Yes.
Do you see it?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so we will try to do some review about lists, okay? And do you still remember about lists so far?
Yes, hopefully.
Okay, what do you know or what you can actually tell me about lists that you still remember?
Uh, you can put variables, I believe, in this.
And then
Numbers, what else? Um,
what else?
Text.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, so-
Is there anything else?
you can find not nothing, I think.
Okay, is that it?
That's about it that I can
Okay, good.
explain.
Yeah, so actually that's actually a really good thing that you actually can explain some couple things about it. Yeah, about lists, okay? I think you still remember some of the functions too, right?
Uh, Half of them.
Yeah, okay. That's actually good too if you still remember a lot of it. Okay, so actually in here we will try to do some list function again. We will try to review. And if you see from this slide, you can see there is some example that we can actually do with list, okay? So we'll try to do that in the task, okay?
Okay.
So let's try to continue. Okay, so if you can see in here, this is couple of functions that are can be used also in list. Do you still remember about loop, while, and some conditional statement also in here?
Yes, I remember.
Okay, good. And we will try to do some review too about while and for loop, okay? Because
Okay.
list is gonna be using this method also in this structured data. Okay, I will skip with while and for loop. Do you still remember about custom function also?
Uh, a bit.
Okay, good. Okay, I will try to do some review about list. So, as you already know, list is actually a structure for ordered storage of data and different types. So, as you already said earlier, you can actually using list for a lot of variant of data. You can actually
Mhm.
using it for strings, right? You can actually using
Yes.
it for numbers. Yeah, you can actually using it for variables, for Boolean, true or false, and anything. You can actually put a bunch of it inside the list, okay?
Yes.
Okay, and if you can see, the list is gonna be in the form of this. So you see, this is the name of the list, and you're gonna continue with this special bracket, the square bracket. This is the unique thing about lists, okay? Do you remember this?
Yes, I do.
Okay, good. And if you can see, this is the bunch of data that you can actually put it in here. So the differences with the variable is actually list can storage a lot more data rather than variable. Okay. And there is a position that you can use in list. So you can actually using index. Do you remember about index?
I think so.
Yeah, something like this. Do you remember?
Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah, so if you can see that each data has a position number, right? And it's called index. It's always start with zero, something like this. Okay,
Okay.
you got it?
Yes.
Is there any question until here?
No, nothing.
No questions?
Yes.
Okay. And if you can see in here, if you actually can use some function from list, I think you still remember about this. This is the function that you can use to actually search for the item with index. So you can actually search what item in that position. Okay, using this actually called slicing method. Do you remember?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Let's continue again. Okay, so we will try to learn about some couple functions from list. So the first one is actually, yeah, I think the function for making a new list. Okay, there is actually two ways to doing this. The first way is actually to using the list function like this. Okay, so this is the name of the list equals with the list function, and you can make an empty and new list. Okay,
Hmm.
and if you want to add some data, append a data, you can actually using the name of the list dot append. Okay, and then you can
Okay.
mention the item that you want to add. And for the nodes, the item is going to be put in the end of the list. Okay, you got it?
Yes, I do.
And if you want to print the list, yeah, you can print it. Is there any questions so far?
No.
Is it still good?
Yes.
Okay, let's try to continue again. Okay, now this time you can see it here. This is the second way or the second method to actually making a new list. Okay, the second way is actually just using the name of the list, the same thing, but the difference is actually you are not using the list function, but instead you try to using the square bracket directly. Okay, and you can try to add some item directly inside this square bracket, and you can actually declaring a new list, but it's not empty. it's already some items inside of the list. But if you want to make it empty, yeah, you can actually do that. Just leave the square bracket empty like this. You can actually make it empty. You got it?
Okay, yes.
And if you want to search for some item, you can actually using this old method that we already know, right? So you can mention the item within and then the list. It's gonna be returned to you with true or false statement. Okay?
Okay.
And the last one is actually the sort function to sort some item inside the list. You got it so far?
Yes.
Or is there any question that you want to ask?
No.
Okay. If there is no questions, let's try to continue. Okay. And if you can see in here, this is the thing that I already told you earlier that we can actually using loop inside the list. Okay. So be careful and you have to remember again with some loop method that we already learned back then. Okay. And do you still remember about this function called len?
Yes.
What is the function of len?
Determines the length of
Yeah. You
this
can actually counting the total character or
or
determining the
list.
length. Yeah. Determining the length of the list. Okay.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay. So let's try to continue in here. Okay. So now we will try to do some practice. Okay. With the example that I already prepared for you. Okay. Hold on a second. Let me try to share again. So far, what do you think about lists?
Um, a good way to sort data types, different data types.
And then,
Hmm.
is there anything else?
Mm, Not really. I guess organized now, more organized.
Okay, so maybe a little bit of quick question then. What is the function of len?
Determines uh the length of characters.
Okay, good. And what is the
Or
function? And what is the function of list?
uh, stores many different data types.
Okay, good. So I want you to. I will try to share screen, and I will asking you to actually how to solve this kind of questions. Okay. Do you see my
Okay.
screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now I want to ask you, what do you think about these questions? Let's say that you in here have a task to actually complete the program. Okay. And you have to make it something like this. Okay.
Mhm.
There's a class list, right? And
Yes.
you have to counting the total students also. Now, if you're facing something like this, do you have any suggestions on how to actually finish this kind of codes?
Suggestion to
Maybe start with the first hashtag, sorting the student list. What do you think that we have to add if you want to sort?
if you want to sort, uh, you have to students that sort uh
Okay, good. Yeah. So you can actually just simply using students dot.
dot sort. Uh,
Okay. And how about counting the total students in here?
uh, it's length, but
Hmm?
uh, uh, it's definitely you use the length function.
Yeah. Okay. You can actually using the len function in here. Okay. So how
Yes.
to counting the total students is actually you can using len. Okay, and I think we can actually using this variable, okay, to actually counting the lens because if you see from the picture in here, you can see that the amount students is actually shown in the end. This is the total students, right?
Yes.
So you can actually using the same variable again with the len function. Okay, you got it? So
Okay.
yeah, you can actually using amount students, okay, and then equals with len, and then
Plan
mention the
student.
list. You got it?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so if you can see in here, is there anything that are we actually missing in here, or is it
Uh,
already good?
I think this is good
Is there anything weird
enough,
in here?
I suppose. Uh, um,
Do you see some mistake, or is it already good?
um, I I think it's already good, but does the sort need a variable?
Is there any mistakes that you found?
No, I don't think so.
Yes,
Mistakes.
there
Oh,
is. If you
oh,
see in here, yeah. What do you think about for and in only with no variables, with no names? What do you think is gonna
oh.
be? Yeah, what do you think is gonna be produced? It's gonna be error, right?
Yeah, error.
So I think we have to add the
Mm,
element, right?
yeah.
Student, because if you can see, it's actually using student in here, right? For
Yes.
student
In
in the list,
students.
which is students.
Instance.
You got it?
Yes, yes.
And if you run it, you can see that this is gonna be the list of the class, okay?
Okay.
And the loop is gonna be try to sort from the first one until the last one. And the total student is gonna be shown in here. You get it?
Yes.
Is there any question so far?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. I will try to stop share again. And let's try to actually continue a little bit, okay?
Okay.
I will try to share screen again. Okay, so we're gonna continue our discussion about list a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now let's try to have some introduction with split function. The function that maybe you still remember or not, I don't know. But this function is actually used to separate or maybe try to add some things in between of every item. Okay. So in the middle of every item, if you want to add something, you can using split. Okay. And in this case, they using split to add some space. So if you can see it here, this is not the real space. Okay. Because for
Yes.
Python, space is actually counted as a character, right? And if you want to add a real space, it's gonna be in the form of comma. So comma in Python is actually means space. Do you get it?
Yes.
And what happened if I change from space into something like this? What do you think? What do you think will happen?
It's gonna add. It's gonna add that character between them.
Yeah, it's gonna add this character in the between of every item, something like this. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Is there any questions?
Mm, no.
Okay. Let's continue again. And then if you can see in here, this is some function also about string and list combination. So you can actually merging strings into one with this. Yeah, I think you already know it, right? And then if you want to copy paste, you can actually using multiplication. This is like a copy paste.
Mm.
Len, index, okay, and find function. Do you still remember about find function?
Yes.
Okay, and search. Okay, so far so good.
Good, good.
Okay, I think that's it for the theory sections. I think let's try to do some practice at the platform. Okay,
Okay.
you are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I will try to stop share. And first thing first, I will try to give you the presentation file. Okay, so if you want to download it again, you can actually do it. Okay,
Okay.
do you see the link?
Yes, I see it.
Okay, you can try to download it.
Okay.
Okay, now if you already done downloading, you can actually try to log in and do some share screen. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to number 38.
Okay.
Okay, you can try it first by yourself. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, good luck, Adler.
Okay.
What do you think so far? Is it confusing?
Uh, yeah, I don't really like these kind of questions.
Do you need help?
Uh, mm, yeah.
Okay, so there is actually four right options in here. Okay, let's try to discuss it one by one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, the first one. If a list contains 10 items, the number of the last item is 9. Is it? True or not?
True.
Hmm?
True.
Okay, good. Now the second one. A list is a data type that stores the sequence of items. Correct or not?
No.
It's correct. The sequence, right? In order
Oh,
from,
that's what it
yeah,
means.
yeah. And now the third one, all the items in a list numbered starting from zero, definitely
Yes.
correct. And one last option. What do you think from these three is the last correct option?
The
What do
last
you think?
one. The last one I picked. This one.
A list can contain, you sure? This one?
Yes.
Are
Oh,
you sure or not?
unless contains person.
This is actually wrong, and this is actually wrong. So,
Also this.
yeah, the last one. Yep. Okay, let's try to answer.
Oh, I
Nice
thought
one.
I thought a list has to only have like every list like if there's a string it only uh it
Strings.
yeah strings and then
Oh, no, you don't have to. As I already told you that from list, you can actually try to mix some any data type. You can mix in one list with integer, strings, and also you can actually mix it with Boolean, true or false, or even another
oh
list. So it's actually a wide range of capabilities with lists. Okay,
okay
you got it?
yes
Okay, you can continue.
okay
Okay, sorry, I think I have to go to the toilet first. Okay.
okay
Okay, I'm back. Is there any questions, Adler?
Mm, not yet.
Is is it still good?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question. Hello?
Do you need help, Adler?
Yes.
Do you need help?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so what are you confusing about this?
I feel like uh mine is correct, but it's not auto-correcting. Is there
Okay,
like a different way?
okay, let's see. So in here, this is the list, right?
Yes.
And you already do some input, and then you can actually using lower two. Okay, good. You're searching in trips, okay. I think it's actually request found, right? Not request found request. Do you have a typo?
Oh, yeah. In here it says
Oh, no,
request
no.
found.
It's, yeah, request found. Oh, sorry, sorry. Yeah.
Okay. Ah, okay.
Okay. Is there anything else that you want to ask?
Not yet.
Okay, you can continue.
Okay.
Do you need help or still good, Adler?
Uh, not yet.
Do you need help
No. Uh, Wait.
or still thinking about it?
Still thinking about it.
Oh, okay, okay. So it seems like it is getting harder and harder, right? The review.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if you can actually try it.
I see. Okay. I I'm gonna ask for help.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. So in here, I think you already make the list first. That's good. Okay, and then the input. Okay, lower also good. But I think for this one, try to ask for subject equals subject dot lower.
Oh,
Okay.
like
And then
this.
while subject not equal with zero, okay, good. And in here, after a while, I think it's good to actually using if if subject in subjects. So this and this, it should be on the top after a while.
Oh,
Yeah, okay, good. And then after that, you can using else after the print. After here, using
ah,
else. Else,
ah,
and then subject dot append.
ah,
Subjects dot
subjects.
append subject. Yeah, but make it like print in this position.
Oh, oh yeah.
Yeah, and then after that, you can actually using this, but in here, same position as it, same position as else.
Uh,
No, no, no.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and then using lower again. Subject equals subject dot lower in here. Okay, and then after that, go to the next line. Okay, in here, you can actually using subjects dot sort to actually sort things up.
Oh,
Okay, and then after sort, I think you can actually print the last sentence. Print.
right.
Okay, open the image.
I don't think there's.
I think the sentence is actually on the image. Yeah,
Oh, oh,
this
there's. Okay,
list of subjects. Um, in the capital L.
okay.
Okay, comma, subjects. The list. Good. That's how you do it.
Oh no, I thought it would be a lot shorter. Ah,
Do you got it? Or
uh,
is it still confusing?
I think I got the hang of it.
Okay. You can do the last one.
Mhm.
Tuhan suka memakai kondisi yang tidak
Oh.
Okay, for Adler, can you stop the share screen?
Okay.
Okay, it seems like that our time is almost end, but I think, yeah, you already understand the topic, right?
Yes.
Okay, so can you conclude what we already been actually learning so far in this lesson?
We've been learning about less, uh, everything about less, well, not everything, but most of it. Uh,
And then,
Conditional statements,
okay, and then the
oh
functions, right?
yeah, functions.
Yeah, okay. So I think you can actually try to continue the task at home, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I think that's it for today. Do you have any questions before we end?
No.
Okay, if there is no questions, I think that's it for today. Thank you for joining, and I will see you again. Bye bye. Thank you,
Bye.
Adler. Bye
Thank
bye.
you.